Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This is called cross stitch. Finishes at 12 inches. Here's the diagram, and everything is sort of set on the diagonal. So we're going to have some really weird measurements in the patches. Here are 4 blocks set block to block. These are all the patches. We have 4 patches, 4 different patches, and I only found AccuQuilt dies for 2 of them. Here are the cutting instructions for the fabric. To piece this, we're just simply going to lay out all the patches, then we're going to piece the block in diagonal rows. So we'll stitch the patches into rows, and then we'll stitch the rows together. And here are the patches. This is patch A. This goes in the outside corners, the 4 corners. This is patch B. We could call these the setting triangles that go around the edges of the block. This is patch C. These make the large cross stitch pieces. This is patch D, and this one makes the small cross stitches in the back, and this is the background. We're just going to take the Prophet board and lay out all the patches. There, it looks kind of weird, but I think that's right. I might have missed something, but we'll see, because all you need to do is check this diagram here against your diagonal angles. So now I'm going to start sewing them together, and I'm going to start down here at the bottom, and I'll do a row and show you each row as I do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.